In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export an OpenCAD file from OnShape. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to cad.onshape.com and then log into your account. Once from here, you'll need to find your specific file that you want to export. And once you've done that, it should look something like this. Now from here, you will need to export the file. And to do that, you'll simply need to right click on the model. And then from here, you'll need to go down to export right here. Once from here, the export section will pop up where you can add the file name and change the file name if you want to do that. You can add the format or change the format either from STL or any of these other ones. Now, if you want to export an Openscad file, you will need to add it for STL like so. Once from here, you can also add whether or not it should be export model oriented y-axis up. And from here, you'll need to change the STL format to binary and units to meter, resolution to medium, and options to download. Once from here, you'll simply need to click export like so. And then you can see up here, now the exported version of this OpenCAD file has been exported successfully. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!